Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to bring you a couple of names that I am looking at buying. And this comes with the caveat that I have no idea what the next moment holds, and over the weekend we could see absolutely anything from this market, but it strikes me overall as being relatively resilient. And if we come back and look at these squeeze signals, you can find this built in to Thinkorswim. It's on a lot of other brokerages as well. But you can see where this period of consolidation, or that signal, led a very nice rally. And then if you look at that same signal here, you can see the results of that move. And now you can see that we have a fresh signal that is forming. So, you position size in a way that if I am wrong and Apple has some type of massive drop and instead this ends up being a more important topping pattern, that you can live with that. But I am playing it in the direction of the trend and kind of looking at the concept of there's no such thing as a triple top, which you've seen a lot of in this market, which is to say you have an area that we pause at, it comes into it as resistance, and then on the third attempt it makes it and pushes on through, continuing with the trend. So I know that is a lot of people will argue that that's extended, and yes, it has come a long way, but if you take your rational thinking mind out of it, I think those technical signals suggest higher prices. Now, one other that I thought I'd bring to just for your consideration is CRM. This one hasn't had quite as clean of a pattern in the past. You can see some of these squeezes do in fact fire short, but after making the lows back here at 140, it has been on a mission, and I especially like looking for situations where you have a squeeze with the potential of, if you can catch that directional move into the earnings report with the earnings series options, those can generate some really nice returns. Another one that, yes, that is up against some extensions, but in trading it with the trend, I think it will continue to head higher. And then if you're looking for something kind of out of, equity picks, look at GDXJ. This chart to me has got kind of an interesting pattern where gold has been doing very well, so I think miners are going to continue that trend as well. So you've got a little bit of a cup and handle, if you'd like to call it there, and then I feel like that micro pattern inside of it, along with a very nice daily squeeze. Now this one could take some time to play out. I'm thinking of this for more as a play into the end of the year, but I'm going to be pursuing it to the long side, provided we hold above roughly about 39, and then I'm going to be looking at a target in time, ideally exiting that position towards the end of the year. So I hope that's helpful, gives you a couple of trades to consider, and we will see you at the next free video.